How can you tell the sex of a hemp palm knowing that it is a dioecious tree? There are male specimens and female specimens. When I planted it, I didn't know whether it was male or female because male and female specimens are found on different trees. But today we know that it's a male. Very early in the spring, the buds develop, and as they do, flowers bloom. So this one is a male. It's not complicated. When it produces its flowers, they are quite large, very spectacular, and easy to recognize. There is pollen on the stamens. A huge number of bees come to visit it to collect its pollen, and this pollen is carried when there is a female nearby onto the pistil of other Panthrisa female palm tree in order to later produce fruit, purple fruits that are edible. Some people say that you should remove the buds as soon as they start to grow on the palm tree because they say due to the flowers and their development, and it's understandable the palm tree gets a bit exhausted and would grow a little less. Personally, I leave them on the palm tree and you can see that it continues to grow because today it is between 2 and 3 meters tall. Snow also has no effect on palm trees. At first, I had to protect it because I was afraid my palm tree would freeze. But we realized after a while, maybe because of climate change, that this palm tree does very well in Ardennes-style soil.